Hi friends, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all keeping safe and I hope we're having a fantastic and a fabulous day. What do we have on the menu today? We have the most popular Ghanaian immune boosting goat light soup. It's so easy and simple. I hope by the end of this you'll be inspired to try it if you haven't. And if you already have, maybe my recipe is different and you would want to try my own too. What are the ingredients for this menu? I have about half a pound of goat meat here. I have some goat liver and I have some goat intestines that we're going to use as our base for the immune boosting soup. For the ingredients, vegetables, we have some tomatoes, I have red onions, I have half large sweet onion, I have about 300 grams of ginger, I have 3 cloves of garlic, I have 2 shrimp Maggi, and I have 8 habanero peppers. Yes, 8 because we like it really hot and spicy. I have about 8 ounces of tomato sauce. I have about a tablespoon of adobo, and I have half sweet onion cut up as well. So if you want to know how this turns out, like I always say, come with me and let's get started. Okay friends, so I have my meat and everything in my pot and I'm about to start. I have my fire turned on to medium high and I'm gonna go in first with my 1 tablespoon of adobo. Next I follow up with some onions. This is the sweet onion I have cut up. And go in with my blended ginger, garlic, Maggi, and onions. Lastly, I go in with my 8 ounces of fresh tomato sauce and cover it up. Let it steam and we'll come back after like 10 minutes to see how this turns out. After 10 minutes, this is what my meat looks like. I'm gonna stir it and have it cook a little bit more before I put in my onions, tomatoes, and peppers. So we're going to cover it again and let it cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Okay friends, so after about 20 to 25 minutes, this is what my meat looks like. And anytime you see the oil come on top of it, then it means it's ready to take the tomatoes, onions, and the peppers. That's one trick I'm teaching you today. So what do we do next? I'm going to add in my onions, tomatoes, and my peppers, and then I go in with my water. Like I told you, we like it really hot and spicy. I have about 5 cups of water here. I stir. Nothing rigorous, just move it about. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it up for another 25 minutes. Okay friends, so after 25 minutes, this is what our soup looks like. As you can see, our veggies are cooked and they are ready to be blended. So I come in with my blender and take my onions, my tomatoes, and my peppers, blend it, and come pour it back in. At this point, our soup is almost ready. blended my tomatoes, my onions, and my peppers, and I'm gonna pour it in my soup. I have about 3 cups of water that I'm gonna use. So I'm adding about 3 cups of water to the soup. I would stir. And at this point the soup is almost ready. I'll just leave it on to simmer for about maybe 20 minutes again. And that'll be it. Okay friends, so at this point our soup is ready. As you can see, it looks beautiful. So we're just going to turn off our fire, and that's it. We're done here. It's that simple. So this soup is ready to be eaten with your fufu or yam or anything you choose to eat it with. It even goes well with rice as well. Okay friends, so our soup is ready, as you can see, and I'm about to serve mine with a bowl of fufu. So looks so incredible. And I'm just gonna go on and add my soup. And here we have it friends, our fufu and goat soup.